coffee? Jasmine, did you finish your coffee? Let me see.
More finish.
Then finish that little bit. Mommy and Jasmine, we're having a coffee party. No tea party because we don't like tea, huh? Is that delicious? Jasmine, look at Mommy. Mírame. Is that delicious? Do you love Mommy? You love Mommy? Hey, crazy girl. Dora lover. Listen. Jasmine, I love you. All gone.
More.
I don't think so. Say please. You're going to break the teacup. Be careful. We'll see. Let's read first, okay? If you break that, you're going to be in so much trouble.